Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. Before we get started, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button on my main page. And once you have done this, don't forget to click on that bell to be the first to get notified when I upload a new video. In today's video, I will be showing you YouTube Music. This is the brand new section on YouTube that is purely for music only. And straight away on my screen, this is what it looks like. And as you can see, it does actually look alright. On the main home page here, we have a massive list of music, which is great. We can just go ahead and click on, let's just go on Harder Than Hell. And it will bring up a lot of artists and songs. As you can see, we have Limp Bizkit, we have Papa Roach, we have Linkin Park. There's lots of music there. And we can go ahead and just play any of this music straight away. You also have a like and dislike button here. And if you click on the three little dots, we can actually share the song. We can even add it to our playlist, or start a radio, or go to artist. I'm just going to add to playlist, just to show you what it does. I'm now going to create a new playlist, and I'm just going to call it music. And go save. If I now go to the top and click on my library and go across to playlists, which is down the bottom here, and as you can see, I have music. If I now click on music, there's the song that I just added to my playlist. I really do like this new area on YouTube because it does remind me a lot of iTunes and Media Player or any of the other music players you can download for Windows. Let's now go onto the hot list and just see what options we have here. And this is the current hot list music. Let's just have a little look. I don't actually recognise any of that music. But anyway, this is all the famous music at the moment that's on the hot list, which is great. We can see what's the most popular at the moment. If we go across now, we can click on library. And this is the area we were just on. Down the bottom here, we have our playlists, which is where all our music will be stored when we add it to a playlist. We have our liked songs, which is also a auto playlist, which means whenever we like a song, clicking that thumbs up button, it will be added to this playlist, and then we can just play that playlist and it will play all our liked songs. We have albums, which I don't have any at the moment. We have our liked songs, and we have artists. And at the top here, we can search. If I go ahead and type in, let's just go Limp, and as you can see straight away, Limp Bizkit has come up. If I now click on Limp Bizkit, it will come up with all his songs, and it comes up with his albums and videos. And at the very top, we can see he is an artist, and we can go ahead and click on him. And there we go. That's all the songs that Limp Bizkit has done. And that is pretty much it for YouTube Music. I do recommend you give it a try. I have put the link in the description below. It really is a great music player that's built into your web browser. What more could you ask for? I hope this video helped. If it did, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.